Ever pondered the possibility of journeying through time, unlocking the secrets of the past or glimpsing into the future? Today, we embark on an extraordinary exploration into the enigmatic realms of time travel and the alluring concept of wormholes. Join me, your guide through the fabric of spacetime, as we unravel the mysteries that shroud these cosmic phenomena. Are we on the brink of turning time travel from fantasy into reality, or are we merely scratching the surface of an elusive dream? Brace yourself for a journey that will challenge your understanding of the universe. Let's dive deep into the intriguing question: time travel and wormholes, feasible or fantasy? The quest for time travel. The idea of traveling through time has captured human imagination for centuries. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, the concept of manipulating time has been a persistent thread in our storytelling. But, is time travel truly within the realm of possibility, or is it confined to the realms of fantasy? Einstein's theory of relativity. Enter Albert Einstein and his groundbreaking theory of relativity. According to Einstein, time is not a constant, it is relative, and it can be affected by gravity and velocity. This theory laid the foundation for the scientific exploration of time travel. So, is it theoretically possible to journey through time using Einstein's equations? Wormholes, cosmic shortcuts. Cue the concept of wormholes, a speculative but intriguing solution to the time travel puzzle. Wormholes are hypothetical tunnels in spacetime that could potentially connect distant parts of the universe. Imagine them as cosmic shortcuts, bending the fabric of spacetime itself. Could these mysterious passages be the key to traversing time and space? As we wrap up our cosmic journey through time travel and the intrigue of wormholes, I'm curious to hear your take on these mind-bending concepts. Share your thoughts below. Do you think time travel is on the horizon, or are wormholes just cosmic mirages? Your perspective colors our exploration. But before you go, dive deeper into the quantum realm with what is quantum physics in our end-screen video. It's a short, captivating exploration.